Hi, my name is Greg Burke, National Sales Manager for Modern Flames. The purpose of this video is to assist in giving you step-by-step instructions as to how to properly set up our good, better, best display. As you will see, it comes nicely packaged on one pallet. So let's get started. Now that we have the good, better, best display uncrated and laid out, let's begin the setup. Now that we have the display set up and the log and media set up, let's talk about the remote controls. On the Good, the Spectrum series, it's already programmed. It's a small remote, very sleek, on, off, and you've got the colors, 10 different colors. You can independently change the bottom and the fan, and everything is operated right here in the sleek remote control. To program the better and the best Landscape Pro Slim and Landscape Pro Multi fireplace, there's another step involved versus this one, the Good. So what we do here is, when the fireplace is on, press and hold the on-off button for about 3 seconds until you hear the buzzer sound twice, and then the indicator light begins to flash. Within 5 seconds on the remote, press on and off button repeatedly until a buzzer sounds, and again the indicator flash acknowledges that it is paired. You also hear another buzzer and the pair is now completely paired. Okay, now that the fireplace and the remote control are paired, now let's use the remote control. So The on-off button is right here. And if you want to change the flame independently, you hit the flame button right there, and this is a color wheel. So you can turn the flame whatever color you want by simply putting your finger or your thumb on the color wheel. So if you want to change the burning embers independently, you hit the burning embers logo there, and you do the same thing. So you can control the blower, the temperature, you control everything right in the palm of your hands with the remote control. If you want to go back to the factory setting, which we think is the best flame pattern altogether, you hit the upper right hand corner right there, and that gives you the factory setting. We don't say that we have one color, we have 10 colors, 100 colors. With this remote and technology, we literally have 1 million colors. In addition, there is another option for the good, better, best cabinet. You can also take the top part of the cabinet, which is the spectrum, and put it on the bottom, and that way you raise up the Landscape Pro Multi, which is the best category, to be right in the middle. We're flexible, it's your choice. Fireplace Good, Better, Best cabinet set up. The remote controls are programmed. Now it's time to sell some fireplaces. We've made selling easy with this little sheet right here, which we've created. What this is, it shows all the fireplaces, Good, Better, Best. Right next to each fireplace, it has the features and benefits of each one. For example, you have a consumer in front of you right here. They said, tell me the difference between the good, the better, and the best. Right here next to this on this sheet. Well, this is designed to be a 2x4 wall. There's various sizes, 4 sizes available. It has 5,000 BTUs heater on it, so on and so on. This one right here, well, it says right here, this is designed for a 2x6 wall, a little bit deeper, 5,000 BTU heaters. This has a color wheel on it, Wi-Fi compatible. This one right here, the best, which is the Landscape Pro Multi. This has the same features as the Landscape Pro. In addition, it's multiple sizes. You can make it an open right, open left, bay. It could be recessed in a 4-inch wall, or it could be 11.5 inches deep, fully recessed. It's also Wi-Fi compatible. It has a color wheel. So then the consumer might say, well, what's the price? You turn it over right here, and here's the price on the complete, better, best list price. You're able to answer every single question from the sheet right here. This is selling made easy. This is designed for a seasoned veteran or a new salesperson coming onto your showroom floor. We've truly made selling easy. Let's get fired up.